Hi there, my name is Chef Jen, and we're going to be making some homemade pierogies today. First off, there's two different parts. We got to make the cheddar potato filling and then the dough to put the pierogi filling inside of it. So with the cheddar potato filling, I just use russet potatoes, diced onion, whole butter, cheddar cheese, and salt and pepper. We just want to boil the potatoes and then saute some diced onions with some whole butter, a little salt and pepper, and then mix it all together in the mixing machine, and you will have the potato cheddar filling right here, and that's going to go inside of our pierogies. Okay, the next part we're going to be making the dough. This has whole milk, sour cream, mixed eggs, a little flour, and a little salt and pepper. So first I like to start with the milk and sour cream and blend that together. Turn this on low and get it going a little bit. And then I'm gonna mix in some scrambled eggs. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and add about 4 ounces of eggs. Okay, so once the sour cream is all mixed in, I'm gonna slowly add the flour in. Everything in there, all incorporated. Just a little bit of salt is fine. A little bit more flour. And I like to scrape the sides of the bowl to incorporate everything, so I'm going to cut it off for a little bit. Scrape the sides. And the dough is going to look a little sticky, but that's because we're going to be adding flour as we go. Alright. So this looks a little sticky right now, but this will be your dough after you chilled it for at least 30 minutes. We have the pierogi dough. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is put a little flour on the marble. Take out my dough. Cut a little bit off for you all. This is the dough cutter. Okay, so we're going to want to make sure our board is floured nicely. Then we're going to roll out as thin as possible. You might need to add more flour as you go. Okay, so you want it as thin as possible, but you don't want to see through it. Okay, that should be good. Okay, so now the fun part. We're gonna cut the dough into circles. take the excess dough away. Fill the pierogies. Use about an ounce of filling. You have to make sure your dough and filling are completely cooled before you do this. Okay, so we got about an ounce of filling per circle. And then you just pick them up and then stretch the dough over. Gotta work the dough around the ball. And then you're gonna need a little bit of, pardon me, this is just water. We're gonna give the edges a little bit. And then pinch the dough really good. And that's it. So then when you're ready to cook them, you just cook them in boiling water with a little salt in it. And then you can pan fry them with a little bit of diced onion and butter. Make sure all the holes are put together. If not, your potato will fall right out. Okay. All right, and then this is what we're going for. Sauteed pierogies with diced onion, homemade applesauce, and sour cream.